So, do I already have to know how to play piano to use the web piano teacher method?
You do not have to know how to play already. If you do, that helps, But I have beginner lessons. If you're a beginner to music, some people have never played an instrument. Some people are beginner to music. They're beginner to piano. They're beginner to my method. They're beginner to everything. So if that's the boat you're in, you need beginner lessons. Okay. There's some videos out there that say learn piano in 7 days. That's very misleading. In fact, it's flat out untruthful. You're not going to learn to play piano in 7 days. However, you can learn to maybe play your first song in 7 days, a first, really cool song, and take steps towards, becoming the pianist you've always wanted to be. But you don't have to have any prior experience. Some people just jump in and they can do it. But I do recommend my 50 beginner lessons. It's the all-new Easy Piano Lesson series. If you click WPT University at the top of the page, after you log in, you can scroll down to the all-new 50 beginner lessons. You may not need all 50. Maybe you can go do 10 of them and you go, okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Let me go play this fun song I've been wanting to play. I do recommend trying to at least watch and go through all 50 if you want the complete, beginner experience. But they're there for you. But no, you do not have to have any prior experience to start my method.
So the web piano teacher method seems a little too good to be true. It's almost like cheating. Would you say that it is?
Leading question there, Evan. Very good. You'd be a good interviewer. Yeah. It is not cheating. And I know that you know that it's not. I like the question because people will say that. They'll say, and they take a look at it and go, oh, you're cheating. But if you look here, there's no cheating here. All the notes are there. All the rhythms will be there. All my demonstration that show you how to vamp and to embellish these chords like the artist does will be included in the lesson. In fact, you're getting more. If you include the lesson video and the sheet, you're getting more than you do in just a sheet. So it is not cheating. And in fact, someone who uses my method and then someone who gets a piece of sheet music and can read, the person who does my method and my lessons will many times play that song better than the music reader because they're getting more in the lesson than the other person. So I think there's certain advantages to using my method here that traditional music notation does not. But I would say, no, it's not cheating. Anyone who says that, if you're having fun with it and you're learning, don't let anyone tell you you're cheating. In fact, if you're not using my method and you're using a different way to do it, and you're having fun and you're enjoying yourself, don't let anyone tell you you're cheating and put you down. Music is for everyone who wants to play, and there's many ways to do it. Find the way that works for you and stick with it, whatever that is.